Hello, my name is iTTi International TESOL trainer. This year, during Nowruz holiday, I'm here in the beautiful city of Baku running a great TESOL program. First of all, I should thank each and every one of you, the ELT community here in Baku and Azerbaijan, that they supported me, and they also invited me here, and I'm so happy that I'm celebrating Nowruz holiday in this beautiful city. Don't forget, iTTi BAKU offers great teacher training courses. We have got TESOL certificate programs, we've got diploma TESOL programs, we also have got lots of short certificate, specialization certificate, as we call it, programs for teachers. If you're planning in this new year to improve professionally, don't forget iTTi is a great place for you for your professional development. Stay tuned, we've got great courses and great news for you.